Philips V-Line 27-inch LCD monitor.
QHD. It's higher than a Full HD.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It says vivid, crisp images beyond boundaries.
Maybe it's some advertising.
Yeah, probably.
Wide viewing angle.
It's three-sided and frameless, and it has low blue mode. I wonder what that is.
Yeah. HDMI connections.
Yeah.
Okay, let's unbox it.
Yeah.
I would like to show that packaging is like this, and here is a power supply cable.
Ooh, a power cord.
Be careful, it can
Fall out.
fall out. Put here and here, and we'll unbox it like this.
Ooh. Can I open it?
No, it can fall
Ooh.
like this. Be careful, take it. Look at it. Wow.
Wow. Careful, please, very careful.
Yeah, it's heavy.
It's so huge. It's so good.
So
oh my
good.
God. Looks so gorgeous.
2 HDMI.
HDMI ports.
Yeah.
I wonder what that port is.
It's new one port. Yeah, it's a good one for new computers.
Oh. So it's like HDMI
And power
USB.
supply.
Yeah.
How can we assemble it? What do you think?
I think you just put it on the stand
Yeah, we
and
need to put a stand. Look what we have here. Monitor. Model name 275V8. Okay, let's try to assemble a stand and we'll try it.
yeah. So here is the stand. Take it out.
Look, it's HDMI cable.
Yeah. So this is the first part of the stand. And
It's for power supply.
yeah.
Now we have two power supply cables. I don't know why.
Maybe like if you lose one, or I don't know.
Maybe. No. It's look, it's British type, and this one is Europe type.
Oh, that's. Oh, we need the brain.
We need the British one.
So
This one.
to assemble the stand, we put here.
Stop. We need to check the manual because
Yeah, check
last
it.
time I do not check it, and it was a problem with it. Let's put it here. Oh, we have quick start with this one. DP port.
Oh,
This one.
DP.
It's
So there's
it's new
audio
one.
cable, DP, and
HDMI, DP, and we must have a audio cable because this monitor has sound.
Ooh. Wait, do we have one?
Inside. Yeah, we need to put it like this.
Yeah, that's what I
At
said.
first we need to put this and then this one,
Yeah.
like this.
So
Here we can connect audio devices and HDMI to your laptop.
yeah. So how about let's get it running?
Here is power supply, here is some adjustment. How we can adjust it, we can choose here. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah.
Let's try to assemble.
I put it so I can assemble it.
Oh, let's rotate it like this, like we see on the picture.
Be careful though.
Of course it must be. Okay,
Okay,
connected. To click. Yeah,
Yep.
we have one click.
Now we need the second part of the stand. Give it to me, please. No, if you can, please hold it.
Stop, we need to see how.
It's like that. I know.
Yeah, like that. Because of this we need
Yeah.
to put it here.
Okay, yeah, but hold it.
Connected.
I think we need also click.
It's click.
No.
Maybe
Maybe that's.
it's all. Maybe.
Yeah.
Then we need to connect some cables. Some power supply. Took it. Power supply here.
Put it.
And there was some information about audio cable, but I can't find.
Yeah, it said if you have.
If you have,
Yeah.
it did not have some audio cables here.
It said like it had a star before it.
It's not so good with electricity, only for rating. 26 kilowatt hours for 1000 hours of working. But it's not very good, not very big amount. Here is a lock for kids like you. Here
Hey.
is audio exit, DP and 2 HDMI, and here is a button to adjust our settings for
Yeah,
this.
like to turn it on.
Yeah. We need to connect HDMI cable. HDMI cable we will connect. Maybe HDMI one
Let me do it.
will be good. Here is to laptop, here is to power supply, here is a stand. Let's try it.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Let's try to connect a monitor, your new monitor, to your laptop.
Yeah.
At first we need to move it.
Yeah.
Take this one.
Now move the monitor.
Here. Yeah. Oh, we can choose the angle. Look,
Yeah.
cool.
But move it a bit more forward.
At first we need to connect everything and then we will move how we will
Okay.
wish. Then we need to connect it to power supply. Connect it to power
Wait.
supply.
Give it.
Where is your power supply?
Here.
Here. Connect it. Yeah,
Got it.
got it. Next one, we need to put it
The
like this.
Now
Next one, we
we-
need to connect it to HDMI. Yeah, I will connect it.
okay.
Be careful, do not block the port. Where is HDMI? Is like this. Yeah, we connected.
Okay.
All your stuff is now connected.
Yeah. Now
Now
turn it
we
and
put it
let's make it comfortable.
not comfortable. Let's try to check it how it works.
Okay.
After that, we will try to do it comfortable.
Okay. Now let's start
Turn it on.
and
It's-
turn.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
working. Philips, look.
Yeah. Oh wow! It actually worked! Wow! And of course a lot of stuff starts to turn on.
Yeah. Now we need to go to the display settings. Display settings. It's tool one.
Show only on 2.
Only two.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Yeah. What resolutions we have here?
Keep changes.
I like it.
Yes.
It's very beautiful.
You think I don't like it? I love it.
Biggest.
It's biggest and quality is very high.
Yeah.
Look,
Super.
we can see it from any angle now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks awesome. Let's see some display settings.
I've always heard the display settings.
Okay, but it's something strange here. Yeah. Light scale, advanced display settings. What is this one? Yeah, we found it.
Yeah.
Active signal mode. This one, the stock mode is this one.
Wait, how can they change with this?
We can
Oh,
choose
75 hertz.
75 hertz for refresh rate.
Yes, please. Wait. Oh,
Wow, look.
it's even better.
Push the button to adjust. This one. Wow, look at it. How many?
Oh,
Easy git. White and
for me
black.
it's not.
Not? Okay. Wow, wait.
Volume.
Volume. Let's choose something. Easy git, low blue mode, gamer 2. Are you gaming? Gamer 1, XDC, racing, FPS. What do you like?
I like racing, but FPS, I guess. I don't think FPS actually gives something.
Racing. Maybe
Let's
gamer.
Maybe Gamer 2 actually. Yeah, Gamer 2.
Is this one for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Push the button. Yes. Now you are gamer.
Yeah.
Here we can choose what display port we use. Now we use HDMI 2. Here we can adjust the sound in this monitor.
Yeah, the volume.
The volume of the sound. Yeah. It's not... The sound is not very good here. It's actually quiet.
No, it's not quite. It's just not really not as high quality as in my headphones.
Yeah, of course. But here is audio output on the back of this monitor, and you can take and use your high quality speakers.
Yeah.
For us, it's not a crucial problem.
Yeah.
Here is you can choose brightness, contrast,
Oh.
and sharpness, audio, color, language, and OSD settings, transparency, for example, and setup of the setup menu. Okay.
Now let's try some games on it.
Let's try how it looks in games and how it will sound in
Yeah.
games.
So let's try War Thunder.
Yeah, it's a company from Hungary.
Yeah. Let's just change resolution to a bit less. I don't think it will be like
Let's show people how it will be on max resolution,
okay.
and then you will change it
Okay, I guess.
to less.
So let's see
Fire.
if Hans survives. Minor headache. Oh look, it's nice.
Okay, let's go.
Let's
Shoot to water, son.
yeah, let's.
Without. Wow.
Wow.
Look at these polygons.
Yeah, it's really
Realistic.
nice.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
realistic.
Very realistic.
Look, even the
Do you like this monitor, this display?
yeah.
Is it better than to play on the laptop?
Of course it is. I mean, you're comparing like a very good monitor to like a 7-inch laptop monitor.
Cool. Maybe your gaming experience will be better with this.
Whee!
With this. Wii.
Yes.
Okay. It's fine.
Yeah. It's very nice. Whee! Oh.